Walk into any busy restaurant during the dinner rush, and you are watching a complex, high-energy dance of human hospitality. But when the technology industry looks at this exact same room, they often prioritize the hardware sale over the operational reality. A genuine solution starts by diagnosing the friction, identify what slows the team down, what hurts consistency, or squeezes margins, before ever bringing up a machine. Integrating technology acts as a form of operational support. The customer's workflow carries more weight than the vendor's sale. That support starts with a simple reality check. Is the environment actually robot-ready? Physical space ultimately dictates what technology can survive. Look at the horizontal constraints. Narrow aisles, tight corners, and a lack of turning radius can immediately disqualify automation. Then you have to account for vertical disruptions. Stairs, sunken dining rooms, or sudden changes in floor height break a robot's pathway. Forcing a machine into a layout that cannot accommodate it creates a very expensive, heavy distraction for the staff. This is the primary rule of an operational audit. If the layout actively fights the technology, a trusted advisor recommends against the installation entirely. When the space fits, you can target specific bottlenecks, like the mid-service rush, where kitchen backups happen because human servers reach their physical carrying capacity. A delivery robot solves this by absorbing the heavy, repetitive transit from the kitchen to the dining room. The boundary here is strict. The machine hauls the weight, while the human server steps in to hand the food to the guest to maintain the hospitality. These machines also bring a secondary financial benefit through high-resolution digital screens mounted directly on the chassis. By displaying a premium dessert or a signature cocktail as they move through the room, they prompt impulse purchases from guests without requiring the staff to actively upsell. Targeted delivery automation pulls double duty, protecting the stamina of the serving staff while driving up the average ticket size. That pressure shifts to the support staff at the end of the meal. They must clear tables rapidly to seat the next wave of waiting guests. This places intense physical strain on bussers, who spend hours navigating crowded rooms while balancing heavy, stacked tubs of dirty dishes. This chart shows the financial toll of exhaustion, translating into lost margins from shattered glassware compared to automated transit's near-zero breakage. Deploying busing robots during tight windows neutralizes these vulnerabilities, stabilizing table turnover speeds when the rush hits peak. Automation for busing serves as a calculated risk mitigation tool, protecting both fragile inventory and human joints simultaneously. Once all the guests have gone home, the environment shifts to the quiet reality of the closing shift. For decades, the industry has relied on highly skilled hospitality professionals to finish their night by performing industrial floor cleaning. Deploying a cleaning robot changes that dynamic immediately. It handles the scrubbing so managers and floor staff can quickly wrap up their closeout duties. Automating the final hours of the night is a direct strategy to combat burnout, returning valuable personal time to the management team. When you combine consistent floor cleaning, highly efficient busing, and targeted food delivery, you get a clearer picture of true technological return on investment. It dispels the myth that the end goal of robotics is to eliminate human labor. The utility of a robot lies in handling repetitive physical tasks. The utility of a human remains in providing warmth, intuition, and judgment. By stripping away the grueling manual labor, the staff retains the bandwidth needed to elevate the guest experience. The most impactful ROI comes from the intentional unburdening of human talent, providing the space for hospitality to thrive unhindered. Step back into a thriving dining room, and you can see what this balance looks like. Humans and machines coexisting flawlessly. Technology must remain a seamless operational enhancement. The moment it becomes a distraction, it fails. This is why choosing the right automation partner matters. You need an advisor who evaluates the strict reality of your floor plan, rather than someone pushing a quick hardware sale. Enduring operational success requires meticulously matching a precise robotic capability to an exact human need.